Hey guys, today I want to talk about the 5 basic blacksmithing techniques that every beginner should learn. We will start with the simplest one and probably the first one that comes to your mind when you think of forging. This is called drawing out. Typically you use the round side of the hammer. Or if you don't have one, you can also use the horn of the anvil. We can make the material longer or wider. A taper at the end also counts. Perfect if you want to ram it into the ground. The second technique is called upsetting, whenever you need more material in one place than is available. This, for example, was original 16 mil or 0.6 inch, and now it's about 28 or 1.1 inches. It's almost double the size. A typical application for this would be striking tools. If your aim is bad, just make the head bigger. Next on the list is bending. We can use the horn of the anvil. A self-made bending tool. By the way, let me know if you want to see a tutorial on how you can build these easily yourself. A proper bending machine. For more accuracy. Or we arm wrestled into shape. Number 4 would be cutting. There are basically 2 types. Fixed cutting edge, for example the hardy hole. Here you press the material into the cutting edge. The other one is the handheld version, where you press the cutting edge into the material. In this case, a chisel. This technique is also used for ornamental work. Last but not least, number 5, forge welding. I actually don't have anything to show you guys here because to this day I never achieved a successful forge weld. So this is something I still have to learn. If someone is missing the hole punching thing, it's 2025. Go out and buy a fucking drill. If you have any suggestions for a new video, just write me in the comments.